Hello everyone, I want to thank the Elevyoliv brand for providing me with this beautiful accent chair in return for my impressions. This chair honestly surprised me in the best way. It arrived in one box, and I had it fully assembled and set up in my living room in under 20 minutes. And yes, I did it completely by myself. No tools, no calling out to my husband for help. I got my chair in the light grey chenille, which is such a soft, beautiful neutral, but it comes in several other lovely colors, so you can pick whatever fits your space and vibe. The chenille fabric has this cozy texture that instantly warms up the room, and the modern curved design gives it that clean, contemporary look that works with pretty much any decor. One of my favorite details is the adjustable back cushion. You can shift it around based on how you like to sit, so everyone gets the support they want. This chair has a firmer, more supportive feel, which I personally love and need for my back. And as a bonus, underneath the seat, there's a hidden storage compartment which is surprisingly spacious, perfect for blankets, books, remotes, anything you want tucked away so your living room doesn't look cluttered. Even though it's incredibly easy to assemble, it's built on a solid wood frame with sturdy wooden feet, so it feels dependable and stable. Definitely not one of those flimsy accent chairs. So overall, supportive comfort, stylish, functional, and unbelievably easy to put together. If you're looking for a modern accent chair that looks gorgeous and makes your space work smarter, this one is absolutely worth checking out. I know you won't be disappointed. Ta-ta for now.